Hello everyone, this is Taylor Gilbert from KISWEL Inc. Today we are at the FRONIUS USA headquarters to demonstrate our new KC-37 welding wire. I'm here today with Michael Aja from FRONIUS. Mike, can you tell us a little bit about FRONIUS?
Absolutely, Taylor. So first I would like to say welcome to FRONIUS. We're excited to be working with you. We're here in Portage, Indiana, which is our United States headquarters. We're constantly developing and improving the welding process. In addition to welding technology for robotic applications, we offer solutions for MIG, TIG, and stick welding. We also implement complete automated welding solutions tailored to our customers' specific needs for welding automation. We're here in the welding lab at FRONIUS. The machine we'll be using is a TPS 500i on a FANUC robot. This is a MIG-MAG power source with a modular design. That means customers can get what they need now and update later with additional processes as they need them. But the TPSi is really a versatile machine capable of basic MIG, pulsed MIG, as well as more specialized and advanced processes. These waveforms, what we call synergic lines, can be used to solve lots of welding challenges, such as reducing spatter, precisely controlling penetration, and automatically adjusting in response to various conditions during the welding process. Here, we're using the KISWEL KC-37 welding wire using a standard pulse process on galvanized steel.
Our new KC-37 wire is designed with automotive manufacturing in mind. Our new formula provides a lower level of slag generation compared to other wires. This is achieved by replacing the silicone element with other elements. The reduction of slag helps to prevent gradation of corrosion resistance due to slag peel-off after painting, as you can see on the screen now. Here is a direct comparison between our new formula used in the KC-37 wire and other similar wires. You can see that the KC-37 wire produces a lower level of slag. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please put them in the comment section below and make sure to hit the subscribe button so you get notified for any of our upcoming videos.